Kia ora, my name is Jen and this is my journal.
Hindi ba ito, ma'am? Ang pinapunta mo,
12 Lakeside.
Ma'am, come on, let's go. Good. Should I just go mountain biking after this? Everybody should. Wait, ma'am, did you even ask how much it was?
No.
Oh, come on, let's go.
Oh.
Didn't you even just contact the hospital?
Oh. Look at, you wanna eat here, guys? Dito tayo. Look at that. Aww. Wow. Nice. Nice. Dad, ilak mo yung car.
Kain na muna tayo.
Oo. This is our kitchen. Neo? Nay, kailangan kong ibaba yung ano, Daddy.
Bukas
Andito yung mga rooms. Yung panghugasan natin ng kamay.
may dryer, kaya kailangan magbaba.
And 2 bedrooms. Bedroom 1 and bedroom 2. Nice. Dito tayo, Dad. Daddy, may ensuite.
Oh, wow.
Aww. Pang honeymoon suite, Daddy. Ay, kaayo, oy. Iwan ko na dyan yung shades ko.
You can see the lake over there.
Ito na po yung ano. Yan yung dadalhin natin sa ano. Sa ilarang mo dyan. Doon tayo kumain sa labas. Ilabas na muna natin lahat.
Mahal mo ako. Hindi mo na ako mahal, mama.
Cheers. Dad, hindi kita dadalhin dito.
Bakit?
Jing-jing.
These are the boys' room. And that's Daddy. And this is our room. Dad, can you open the window? Dad, can you open the window? May cabinet tayo dito. Just open it. I want it open. Oh, wow. Malakas ang hangin. There's Kuya. Hi, Kuya. Kuya.
Bakit, mami? Hindi si Gian nakikita mo pa dun pag weekend. Kasi may pasok pa.
Ay, yung buti sa narado may pintuan kasi babalandra. Ang ganda naman dyan, Dan.
Naka-tricycle sila. Naglalakad. Meron na pala dun sa bandang. Oh, fiesta na eh. Ganun din naman kami nun. Tatlo kami maglalakad dyan. Ano, pumupunta pa sila dyan? Pumupunta sila dyan saan? Ay, nakausap ka naman nila. Nang hapon? Right here.
What?
Where's Grill House?
We're playing Risk.
Grill
Nakaligo na kaming lahat.
No, we're gonna.
Sinclair?
And
Where's
we're
Lucas?
just learning.
I need Lucas.
The view is still nice over there.
I need Lucas.
Hawkins Police Department.
Ano pangit?
Tayo.
Aray ko. Ang gulo ng bed natin. No makeup. Ang dami ko na rin palang ano sa face. No.
Nang.
Kiwi ba yan? Tomorrow, it's our last night here. Tomorrow, biyahe na kami pa uwi ng Auckland. Pero dadaan muna kami ng Hamilton to have lunch with Ate Leia and Kuya Joe. And then travel back to Auckland. Tongariro crossing today is closed. It's also closed tomorrow. So we were very blessed to have it completed yesterday despite the tough weather conditions. It's very challenging, but feels proud to finish it as a family. We can't see Taupo now, but Taupo is there. I think itong accommodation na to, on our first night, sabi ni Dad sa mga boys, pag tandaan nyo, tapos gusto nyo ng holiday, text nyo lang kami ni Mami, then we'll meet up here. I think this resort is one of those na babalikan talaga namin for, not even pasyal kasi makukontento ka na nang nandito ka lang. Alam mo yun, walang ibang activity, just stay here, wake up when you want, eat when you want, do what you want. Di na kami nag-eat up sa labas, nag-eat out. Ano lang, bumili lang kami ng burger, tsaka ng take away, and then the rest dito na niluto. Kanina nagluto si Kuya ng steak. The boys are fixing their room as well. But this village, it's called Oreti Village. It has, how many houses, Dad? I think, yeah, more than 30, I believe, ang nandito sa area. And they own all of the units. So, it's not a hotel. It's a resort. So, meron kang sariling house. Ilalagay ko sa clip yung view ng front house. May indoor pool sila. May tennis court. But hindi na namin yun na-avail. Kasi nag-flare up din yung eczema ni Antonio. So, yeah, we will be back in this place. Kanina may nagbo-voting dyan sa harap Sabi ni Kuya may daanan daw dyan sa baba. May nagwo-walk daw. But sabi ko, huwag na kayo pumunta kasi hindi ko alam kung may ano dyan, may beach area or diretso malalim na kagaya dun sa part na yon yung nandun. Kasi baka tubig na yan kaagad hindi namin kabisado. Mahulog sila. Taupo is known na maraming nalulunod din. So, sabi ni Dad, ang Taupo Lake daw ay kasing laki ng Singapore. Not sure with that, but it's a trivia kung sakali mang totoo. Dad, ano natutunan mo sa trip na to?
Natutunan ko. Ang ganda ng panahon. Dito, kakain, matutulog, magkakape, manonood ng TV. That is holiday.
Yeah. Masarap magtrabaho at masarap ding mag-holiday. Basta masipag ka, may pang-holiday. Anong natutunan mo sa Tongariro crossing kahapon?
Natutunan kong magmahal muli.
Ay, grabe naman yun. Paki-elaborate.
Kasi may mga panahon na, alam mo yun, pag nasa mountains ka, kailangan mo ng mahabang pasensya. Kasi kung hindi mo matatapos yung hindi mo maitatawid. Kasi mahirap, yes, but masaya kasi kasama mo ang pamilya mo, lalo kasama mo ang pamilya mo.
Worth it?
Sabi nga nila, pag may mga nagtatanong sa akin, bakit pupunta kayo sa mga ganyang lugar? Kung mag-holiday pala kayo, bakit kayo magpapakahirap? Sabi ko naman sa kanila, this is our language of love each other. Lalo ngayon, nakabalik na si kuya namin. So, very memorable yung pagtawid namin sa Mount Tongariro, one of the famous or number 3 na national park, oldest national park sa buong
World.
mundo. So, doon pa lang talagang kita mo na maganda yung lugar, pero sabi ko na delikado at matututunan mo muling magmahal kasi yung mahal mo minsan
Hindi na kaya
hindi
tumawid.
na kaya yung bag halfway niya ng 20 kilometers is binitbit namin.
Tatlo sila. Wala na akong dalang water nun ha, sa lagay na yon. Sila na nagbitbit ng water.
Kaya doon masusubukan lahat, patience, love, faith each other, and yun nga, yung faith mo kay God. Kasi pag pinabayaan ka niya at that time na naglalakad ka pa lang doon, talagang napakahirap. Pero awa ng Diyos na itawid. Buti na lang, pinapalakas din namin yung loob ni Mami. Si Toneng, yun, okay naman siya. Yung may problema lang kasi sa skin niya, kaya yun yung inaalala namin. Awa ng Diyos, kahit ganito yung panahon kahapon, nakabuti rin sa skin niya kasi kung mainit, baka mas lalong nag-flare out yung skin ng anak namin. Kaya at the same time, masaya.
Where to next?
Sabi nila, yung Milford Sound. Gusto nilang tawirin yun. Kaya lang si Mami siguro baka
Maiwan.
pakainin na lang namin ng burger kasi 4 days yun. With the camping na yun. Kaya, tsaka yung mahaba. So, parang ilang kilometers yun. Everyday, naglalakad ka ng halos Mount Tongariro na crossing. Kaya, yun lang. That's my reflection of our journey yesterday. And, yeah, hope you like it.
Morning. Morning, Lake Taupo. It's our last morning here. The weather warnings are all lifted. We're going home today. Just quickly dropping by Hamilton, then straight to Auckland. Just doing my last round of washing and drying kasi available ang washing machine and dryers. So, para wala nang labada pag uwi. Kaya hindi kami nahirapan. So yeah, that's it. I'll give a quick look of the accommodation later. It's raining. So, yun yung harap ng bahay. We can see the lake now kasi maulan. And then, this is us. 12 Lakeside. Sa Lakeview ako nag-work. Sa Lakeside ako nag-bakasyon. And then, when you go down, there's the kitchen, may oven, fridge. Wala na laman yung fridge, nakuha na lahat. So, nakuha na lahat ng food sa fridge. May sariling mga utensils. Table, sala. Si Kuya, that's where we played the Risk. Yung Risk nakuha na. And then, This is the balcony. 2-bedroom lang to. Kaya, ito lang ang balcony namin as compared to the other house. 2 level yung balcony nila. Okay. Naku, baka hindi tatapon yan, Dad. Iwan mo lang dyan. Yan. May storage doon and may sampayan din. Tapos, this is where the additional toilet is. Dryer. It's currently running, washing. Then all the way up. These are the boys' room. Nag-electric fan sila kasi nainitan sila. May cabinet din sa side. And this is the master's room. May ensuite, tub, toilet. There you go. And ayan yung view ulit. Pero wala tayong makita ngayon. So all in all, sulit. So sa Queenstown, baka ganito din ang i-book na lang namin para pwede kaming magluto sa malaking tipid. Ganda pa ng view.